Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are well. Um, let's on these charts. Before we get into that, let's just go discuss what happened yesterday. Yesterday, I revenge traded. Not my proudest of moments. It's not a good thing. And I'm taking three trades yesterday. Three trades, bro, and I lost all of them. All of them. I lost all of them. The account is still good though. Like, I still got some money left in the account. Hopefully, we can cover it during this week. That's if you get a trade today. Um, this is I ended up taking this second trade before I went off the chart. I ended up taking this. I was up like 200 here. Basically, of the money I lost on the two trades I taken here. I did not. I ended up getting stopped out, bro. I ended up getting stopped out. So, yeah, yeah. If revenge trading is not good, is that good? I can say that for free. We all know that. But I ended up taking a heavy loss. Um, yeah, that's basically it. And I lost my mind yesterday, but it's all good. It's all good. Let's just see what the price has today. End up actually going up, hey, and going up for these relative equal highs that I had in check. Um, Quite interesting. So yeah, let's just see what we have. What does the charts have for us today? We do have the opening range gap right over here, and then we have that big end dog, which is this one. So once the price will reach the midpoint of this, which is around the daily week consecutive encouragement around about here, and we see if it wants to continue going higher, because we have the London high. We do have these relative equal highs, like we have these relative equal highs they created right over here. I mean, they're too smooth. We have these ones. We do have an opening range gap right over here. That midpoint is also way up here. So I wouldn't be surprised if it comes and take that out. On the daily, we have a fair value gap. So on the daily, we do have a fair value gap, which is here. So ideally, I want to see what price want to come back into this fair value gap that we have, right? We just have to wait and see for that. We did have news at 8:30. See 8:30 news, which is right about here. This candle. This is one movement down. Um, yeah. So my mind, I'm thinking about buys right now. So I'm gonna wait if we do get maybe an inverse, and then if we get an inverse, bro, I'm in that, bro. I'm in that. Well, but we did sweep this liquidity, and then price went down. I wanna see will price wanna respect this area right over here, for us to go higher. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I think will this be our first failure gap? Oh, it's too small, buddy. Wait, like 8. That's too small. It's too small. It's too small. But hey, if it lets us use it, we'll use it. So small. But this is our first value gap. This is 8, 930, 931. And then, yeah, see how price respected that. But I don't want to buy today. It just doesn't. It's not in my. I mean, I don't want to sell today. I think buys are more appropriate. We're gonna wait to see will we get an inverse whatsoever. Two of this Fairvalue Gap, like another Fairvalue Gap right over here. But they're so small. These are small Fairvalue Gaps, eh? I think we'll stick with this one for now. For now, because the first one. Um, but yeah, and we're at that midpoint. Oh, spelled that wrong. It's end on. Uh, yeah. So let's just wait, let it cook, let it do what it has to do, let it do all the damage. We have this Fairvalue Gap here. Came into this Fairvalue Gap right over here, like I said. And then we have that daily wick. But we're gonna wait for this candlestick to close. Let's see what happens. I think we're gonna buy. I mean, it could sell, but hey, if it sells, then it's gonna sell without me. I wanna see first really get it merged. So yes, I'm gonna give it. Give it permission to go a little bit further down, bro. It could even, damn, it might even just close the opening range gap right over there. We should delete some of these. It's 20th of August. One, two. Okay, I think this has to go. This one. I'm gonna delete this one. There's just too much going on. I just really need a clean chart right now. But wait. Hey, might use it, bro. But yeah, we're gonna wait for it to make it jagged and all those beautiful things, and then we'll see. Do we get a buying opportunity? Oh, I'm so tired, bro. I'm writing a test tomorrow, and I need to prepare for that. So, mhm, mhm. Yeah, I think I should delete those. Hey, this was last week Thursday's first for value gap, which is today's Thursday. So it's basically this is a week old, but I'll leave it because since we're close to it, hey, price might wanna use it a little bit. Uh, the more the info, the better. But yeah, I do want to see it drop a little bit more. It hasn't really touched that opening range yet, and on the daily we are on that. Excuse me. We are right here at this week's midpoint. Yeah. But yeah, let's just wait. I'm thinking about buys. Me personally, thinking about buys. So we're gonna wait and see. Do we get that chance? Just open. We literally investors went back into that first value gap. Price went above this. I want to see it go above this. If we have a good candlestick close above this, we'll use it to buy. Ugh. Change seconds. Four, three, two, one. If we go back into that, we bang, bro. Oh no, we're not gonna get a chance for price to come back into this, bro. This volume, bro. Come on, come on, Nazi. We just want to see it come back into this, so we can use this to buy. I went for buys. Um, Let's see what happens. Stop loss down here. Okay. Oh, let me show you. Oh my days, I might get stopped out. Let me just show you what I did. My stop loss is like below here. Let me show you. Oh, that's my stop loss. Right below that wick. There. So let's see what happens. Okay, we in buys. My first TP will be the land this right over here. So let me just set that for you guys. TP right over there. I'll show you guys. No hesitation. And price can make it to this for value gap beautifully. Beautifully. Let me just say long. We went long over here. We actually by this wick, we went long. This wick right over here. Just trying to pick the right over here. Stop loss. Yo, stop loss. This right over here. And then TP, it would be London high all the way up here. That's that's what I have in mind. So that's my trade. I'm gonna leave it. And second, my second TP would be okay. These are the two equal highs. I selected them, and then my second TP would be this high over there. Okay, so my second TP is gonna be this high over here, this high over here. That would be my second TP. I'll show you guys set it. Oh, God, I keep forgetting. All the way, it's up there. That's the trade. Let's see what happens. Um, yeah, boys. Let's see what happens. Delete that. So I'm not gonna lie. I really wanna put. I really, ideally, I would want. If I could and we were closer, I would leave it for this. But I'm so confident that price is gonna come into that first. Is gonna come into that for value gap, which is this daily for value gap. Okay, it might not be today, but we're so close to it. I see it. I see it. I see it coming in here, but it doesn't have to be today, of course. So yeah, we'll just see. We'll just see what happens. But yeah, let's just let it play out. Um, I think let me see, can we? It's like up here, bro. I really think it's possible. It's gonna be one of those I'm gonna have to leave it. But hey, you know what? We had a bad train yesterday. I'm gonna just stick to the plan and to my rules and not be greedy. But yeah, we buying. Beautiful trade, if you ask me so far. We pushing. Um, happy, happy, happy for now. So the second TP is this one, this high right over here. Blue line. So let's wait for it to play out. We're in the almost we in the macro. We have 4 minutes until we're in the macro. In this fair value gap, we're gonna see price respect that. This fair value gap, we have these end dogs here as well. Yo, yo, what the flip? It's a crazy drop. Let me show you guys. Price coming back into this. Yo, this is insane. Bro. Yo, Nasdaq, what's going on? Did Trump say something? Yeah, but hopefully we don't get stopped out. But yeah, currently in that trade. But this is insane, bro. We went up, we swept these highs again. Hopefully it goes back up. I probably really want to add more positions while we're in drawdown, to be honest. And we're risking $50, $100 on this position. 100. The trade was going so well. We're up like 100, 200, 220. Oh my days. And we have this big fair value gap right over here. I don't want to see it respect that. Once we cooked. See, I want to see it respect these other ones. And we're going to get stopped out. That's that. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? It was going so well. We got stopped out again. This is depressing, bro. Oh my god. When we were up, like, let me see. Damn, bro. Bro, what witchcraft is this, bro? Please tell me what witchcraft it is so I can join. Oh, oh well, I got stopped out, boys. And I couldn't put my stop loss below that. I couldn't put my stop loss below this. So it could be like 75 per trade. But it's where it's supposed to if using this, see this for value gap right over here. This one. So, and the bodies, look at the bodies, and then your day opening gap. Oh, this is so sad, bruh. But yeah, I'll just take my L. We just got stopped out, but damn near nothing. Damn near nothing. Yeah. Let me see something. Damn near nothing, Chad. Ah, yeah, but I could have had better stop loss placement on my end, especially if we had this for value gap. You see that how it came back into that, and then the bodies did a little bit of damage here because coming down. Ah, I just thought it was gonna be one of those days we just smooth sailing, bro. But no, Nasdaq had other plans. I made our entry. Yeah, just trying to fix that. But no, Nasdaq had other plans, bro. Should we use this one? Oh well. I think it's gonna use this for value gap now. And it's just gonna go higher. We're gonna use the last bid that we have and then it's whatever. I'm done. Yeah, boys. Big L on my end. See you guys in the next one. Uh, I'll just let it do what it has to do. Where's this? Oh, yeah. We basically got wicked out for nothing, if you ask me. Um, yeah, I entered this position. Might as well just finish it, bro. Got wicked out for nothing. Look at that. Yeah, but I could have had better stop loss management, putting it over here below this week. I could have had better management. I went in for a re-entry all the way up here, but this entry was elite, bro. It's just obviously the thing was just not the best. Um, so yeah, I'm done. I'm done. So if this doesn't work out, it's whatever. You just have to fund the account again. The beautiful thing at this, I'm not even mad about it because we got to withdraw the profits in this account. So that's should have been a blessing to be able to do that. Grateful for that, honestly, man. Prayed for times like those. But let me just do something. Um, oh, I can just mute. Yeah, I'm out, chat. I'm out, chat. My shit is done. My account is done. It was nice. It was lovely using this account. We blew the account essentially. So I think we're done with trading for the week. Let me see what. Oh yeah, we done with trading for the week. Price ended up coming back into this fair value gap right over here, and then you see how it's respecting that, and then now it's selling. Selling to what? I don't know, but I'm kicked, bro. I'm out, bro. Um, yeah, L's in the chat. L's in the chat. It sucks, bro. Yeah, we'll just see tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I don't know if I'm gonna be on the charts because I'm writing, gang. So tomorrow expect no video. Yeah, expect no video tomorrow. I'm just gonna be chilling, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. I'm gonna see you guys next week. Um, Tuesday. See you guys next week Tuesday when it comes to the trading. But for now I'm done. Looks like price wants to sell. We did catch these nice buys, bro. We did catch these nice buys, but I genuinely thought I was gonna go higher and go to these London highs over here, but price had other plans. So yeah, but these were nice. These were nice. Price coming for these relative equal highs over here, sweeping these and then going lower. Yeah, but this was so beautiful, bro. I wish that if I knew better, if I knew better, because I don't know any better, because I'm also learning, I would have taken my profits here. Oh my days, no. I would have taken, yeah, I would have taken my profits here. Because this is actually not a good trade. Like, this risk reward is not bad at all. Like, this one, bro, come on, just let me. Yeah, this risk reward, like the first year we trade when we're up like 200, is not it wasn't a bad trade. It's just that as you could see, I was greedy. You know, I could have just did better decisions, or I could have made a better train decisions. But I was just going through my plan and the knowledge that I have that okay, we potentially gonna come back up here. But I was wrong. I was wrong, and yeah, that cost me money. I was wrong. Um, but this low bearing fruit could have been it, like a quick 200. I mean, bro, it was one of the fastest I floated. You know, uh, wait, hold on. Oh, but yeah, yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one, bro. Looks like we're gonna sell, or we might close this opening range gap. We do have this fair value gap. Let's see what price wanna take that out. So I'm not gonna be on the charts tomorrow. Tomorrow, Sat no Saturday, no. Tomorrow and Friday, I will not be filming. I'll be off. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. So this week we got two L's, one win, and obviously as you guys can see, my account is blown. Wait, show you guys. My account is done. We lost that. You can see the balance. Yeah, look at that. We lost both of these. So yeah, we done. Uh, we done. But yeah, I could have just taken some profits here. But these are some equal highs. But I was thinking about this more than anything because it was so clean. Um, but yeah, I'm not even mad about it. It's part of the game. I'll take my L and just move on. You know, just move on. It's just part of the game. We just move on. And then we'll fund this shit again. Sorry for the cuss word. Sorry. We'll fund this again on Tuesday. Tuesday, I'll fund everything again. With real money, no funded accounts, no none of that. I might buy a funded account, like the cheap as hell, bro. But obviously, there's a catch to that, and I want to do it differently when it comes to the funded, in a sense of I want to do it differently when it comes to the funded. Oh, it came to the opening week. Oh my days, it's now only it's gonna buy. Oh my days, I see it. Oh my days, it swept this, and then now it's gonna use this. Oh my days, the silver bullet. Oh my days, it's gonna buy. It's gonna buy right now. It's gonna buy right now. But anyway, it's gonna buy it, bro. I'm telling you. Um, the funders are cheap, bro. But I do want to take a different approach when it comes to the funded. I want to do a thing where I'm gonna trade with my real money, and then with the funded, I want to do a different approach, as in do less trades on them. Like as you guys probably know by now, if you're a consistent watcher. I only like I usually get my wins on Tuesday, Wednesdays. But lately they've been good. Like last week I got a win on a Wednesday and on a Thursday. You know, which is cool. Prayed for times like those. right? A cool green week, but this is a red week. But to answer your question, my question to continue speaking, I look when I like take the finance like that, so it will probably take me a little bit, maybe longer to finish to pass it, which will be like 3 weeks, 3 weeks. Yeah, I think it'll take me like 2 to 3 weeks to pass it because the first trade, like first trade Tuesday, I'll go heavy maybe, and then next week Tuesday again, I'll see if I can't get a trade. Just like that, every Tuesday, maybe try and take a trade on the funded. I don't know how I'm gonna approach it. I'll just see because they cheap as hell, and I'm just gonna take a opportunity. But there's this time, just submit to the time, you know, and not like trying to bum rush it, you know. Um, but yeah, me personally, this was a good trade. This my mistake here is I could have taken some profits up here, but these are the two equal highs. For sure, I could have done that. I could have improved that bit of things. But there's a silver bullet, bro. I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right. Look at telling you guys right now. This thing's gonna buy. Um. Uh. I'm telling you, bro. Nasdaq is gonna buy. Can't even place a trade, bro. Oh my days, that's gonna buy now. Oh my god. But anyway, um, yeah, yeah, I could have just taken some profits over here. Definitely, I could have done a better trading decision as an operator, taking some profits here. But now it's gonna come back up here. It swept these relative equal lows, went to the opening range gap midpoint before 10 o'clock. Look at that, before 10 o'clock, and then rallied up using this fair value gap, which is the first one, which is really small, but it's the first one. Look at that going over it. There's a 10 o'clock silver bullet, and then now I do think it's gonna come back up. But yeah, I'm tapped out. I'm done. I can't do anything about that. I gotta start at the trade. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna take my L. I'm gonna go study, bro. Go study, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. It does suck, but I'll see you guys on Tuesday when we have hop back on. So yeah, I'm done for the week. I'll see you guys next one. I'll probably just look at the charts tomorrow, but obviously I'm not gonna place any trades and stuff. So yeah, so this week we blew. So in this account we made a total of 400 as profits. So we end up blowing like the amount that I came with basically to the party. Let me see it's written here. See. Uh yeah, we withdrew 900 profit 400, but yeah, we blew that. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Took a sad L, honestly, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.